Hey guys, Daniel R1228 here. And if you look right here, that's right, you can see Laguna Pond Fountain Pump Kit. So there's the pump right here. It's 529 gallons per hour, 2,000 liters per hour. As you can see, this has the water bell nozzle and the cascade nozzle. So look right there. That's right. You can see the water bell nozzle and the cascade nozzle. And up here it says, what it includes. So we got the two fountain heads, the water bell, and the 3-tier or the cascade nozzle. So the front stainer cage protects the impeller, so that is the pump. The extendable riser stem, which is this part right here. The adjustable water flow, which is this part right here. And the removable suction cup base, which is that right there, I believe. The B and E, if you look on there, that's really what the pump, that's really all the stuff that makes up the pump. So yeah, of course there's the two nozzles right there, the water bell nozzle. I mean, if you look at it from here when it's active, it really does look like a bell. And of course a 3-tier system, you can see right there, 1, 2, 3. See, that's what it looks like. That's the 3-tier. That's the 3-tier one. So yeah. So I already did a video on this. So this is not really going to be a tutorial. This is just going to be looking around. So first, we put this on, the water adjust flow. This is the water adjust flow part right here. And then we would put this on, of course, the extendable riser stem. And of course, personally, I actually like this better. I like the shape of it better and the shape of how the water comes out. I do like the water bell nozzle better. So yeah, that is pretty much this new water fountain kit that I got. It's the Laguna, I believe, how many liters is it? 2,000 liter pond pump kit right here that I got on Christmas Day. It's pretty awesome. So again, the water bell nozzle, which this is what it comes out like. Although I don't know if it's exactly this, because on here, as you can see, the nozzle's a bit taller. Where here, it's a little more, focus, there we go, it's a little more thicker and a little shorter. And of course the foam jet nozzle, or sorry, not the foam jet nozzle, the cascade nozzle, or the 3-tier nozzle right there. So I guess we'll put that on too. So this is what it looks like. You can see 1, 2, 3. We're just putting this on. This one I found a little bit harder to put on, but there. That's what that is like right there. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it. See you guys.